The goal of this activity is to loosen up the hips and the trunk. It's an awesome move for improving external and internal rotation. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to do cross-connect walks. So with this, the position between the arm and the leg is like so. So I'm going to reach kind of forward with my palm facing me. I want my hand about nose height, we'll say, and further out. When I do the reach with the arm, it's going to be towards the middle. And I'm going to meet my knee towards the middle as well. I'm not going to connect them down like this and crunch. You want to think about kind of staying upright, looking ahead as you do it. So about there is as far as I can go. You're going to do that, alternate sides. As you do the cross-connect portion, you want to inhale. When you go back down, you're going to exhale. It's going to look like this at full speed. So I'm here, silent in, exhale, back down, other side. Just so you can see from the front view, it's going to look like so. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.